Hi guys, one of the confusing subjects with AWS is the difference between the public and private services. So I just want to help you understand that now because it's really important going forward. So with AWS, you have services that are private, and those are the services that you create in your Amazon VPC. So these resources like EC2 and RDS, which is a database service, the Elastic File System, which is a file-based storage system, these all exist within a VPC. Now, they can only have private IP addresses if you want them to, but they can also have public IP addresses if they're in public subnets. So you do have some degree of control over the security aspects for how those instances are accessed. Now, on the other hand, we have these services on the left here. Now, these actually sit in the public address space. That means they have public IP addresses or endpoints. So you connect to these services over the internet. So let's say, for example, you need to connect to Amazon S3, which is the object-based storage system, and you're somewhere on the internet. So you'll come into the internet with your connectivity, and then you'll connect to Amazon S3 and you'll be able to upload and download data. Now, what if you have an EC2 instance and that instance needs to access data on Amazon S3? Well, it also has to go to the internet. So it goes via an internet gateway to Amazon S3. Now, all of this is part of the AWS cloud, but the VPC is the private space with an internet gateway at the edge of it. So anything that you need to access that's a public service, you must go via an internet gateway and then access the service. Now, there is an advanced topic known as a VPC endpoint, which means you can connect to some of these services privately. But what I wanted to help you understand for now is the difference between the services that have public endpoints and IP addresses versus those that are within the private space.